right, let's hit freedom, guys.
Freedom!
100 miles from Indian River, high up in the Yukon wilderness.
We've had a lot of problems this season. The bills are stacking up. I've spent $80,000 more on fuel this season than last season already. To come back next season, we gotta finish strong. You know, right now it's do or die.
Third-year mine boss Fred Lewis is in the fight of his life. Deep in debt, he needs 200 ounces to save his mining career. But with time running out, he's 62 ounces short.
That 200 is looking very bleak. We would have to have our best clean out this week in order to even come close to it. But it ain't over till the fat lady sings. We're gonna fight to the end. We're going for it.
Fred's Hail Mary plan? Open up a new corner of the Freedom Cut on a last-ditch hunt for the elusive, gold-rich quartz vein running through his claim.
The gold isn't consistent here. You have to chase that treasure map. If we can't get to this pay, there's no freaking way we're gonna hit our 200-ounce goal. It has to come out of the Freedom Cut. All their lives are impacted by this. Every miner I have here is relying on this to work. So I put a lot of people at risk, and myself and my family included. This has to work. And we're just gonna fight every step along the way. If we can't pull it off, we're done.
Push, push, push. Keep this show going. I could care less about the mud, the cold, and everything goes along with it. I don't quit, whatever it takes.
Everyone wants to go home, wants to see their loved ones, but also understands that if we don't do what we came here to do, there isn't a next time.
The whole thing is trying to get financial freedom and to be able to set it up for your family to be able to go and give them the life that they deserve.
Hey, Christopher, how's that dozer going?
Moving smooth.
All right, keep it up, bud. There is no other option.
Fred gives stepson Chris the critical job of stripping overburden in the 53-ton Komatsu dozer.
He's pretty new. Buzz is right there beside him. He's been training him. Right now, I'm seeing good control. I'm seeing he's pushing the blade at the right depth. He's not going too deep. I'm freaking stoked because my son is stepping up.
We have a ton of muck that we gotta move before we can get down to pay. Things are starting to freeze because of how wet it is. It's either sloppy or it's ice. And this dozer, even though it's got big ass tracks and it's heavy as it's caused me to slip a little bit here and there. I need you to come rescue me like time now, dude. I got myself stuck.
How the hell did you do that?
I'm literally backing up to push the forward, and then I just stopped moving.
Okay, I'm coming to try and pull you with the 460. Hopefully it'll work.
Try not to break the swing gear again.
Are you stuck, Christopher?
Yes. Obviously.
All right, okay, just listen to Buzz and hopefully you guys can get it out pretty quick.
All right, what do you want me doing here?
Hey, try forward.
315 horsepower 460 is Fred's most powerful excavator.
Yeah, Buzz, we still going nowhere.
Hey guys, you making some progress over there, or is it completely stuck?
I'm trying to push Ender out at the same time. I'm just spinning the tape.
Without that dozer, we can't rip. We can't push up this overburden. If that dozer's stuck, we're completely What's the deal?
Still trying. Just smoking, bro.
Man, shut it out, shut it out.
Christopher, what the is going on? You okay?
Okay.
What happened?
Started smoking.
On a desperate hunt for a gold-rich hotspot in the Freedom Cut, Fred's dozer has gone up in smoke.
Well, Buzz, what do you think it is, dude? Obviously, it's nothing good.
Man.
Great.
There's been an incident with the dozer. Looks like it's a freaking oil pressure line.
Over-revving the engine has blown a pressurized oil line, spraying oil on the red-hot engine.
Lay it on me. Like, what does mean? How?
So yeah, freaking have to get some oil and go find some parts.
This late in the game, there's no way we're gonna get parts in time. There's no way we're gonna get it fixed. Bull.
What do you say to me?
Tired of this. Everything's breaking. That dozer's done. Finny.